What are 5G frequencies? Have you ever wondered what makes 5G technology so fast and efficient? One key factor is the different frequencies used in 5G networks. Understanding these frequencies can help us appreciate how they impact our daily lives. 5G frequencies refer to specific radio frequency bands that allow fifth-generation wireless networks to operate. These frequencies enable faster data speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity compared to earlier generations. The frequencies are mainly divided into three ranges: low band, mid band, and high band. First, let's talk about low band spectrum. This range includes frequencies below 1 GHz, such as 600 MHz and 700 MHz bands. Low band frequencies provide wide coverage and can penetrate buildings well. This makes them ideal for rural areas and broad urban coverage. However, they do not deliver the high data speeds that higher bands can offer. Next up is mid-band spectrum, which ranges from approximately 1 GHz to 6 GHz. Frequencies like 3.5 GHz fall into this category. Mid-band frequencies strike a balance between coverage and capacity. They offer higher data speeds than low-band frequencies while still maintaining decent coverage. This makes them essential for urban and suburban deployments of 5G technology. Many consider this range the sweet spot for 5G performance. Finally, we have high-band spectrum, also known as millimeter wave. This includes frequencies from 24 GHz to 71 GHz. High-band frequencies, such as 26 GHz and 28 GHz, provide extremely high data speeds and capacity. However, they have limited coverage and struggle to penetrate obstacles like walls. These frequencies are perfect for dense urban areas and hotspots that requiring ultra-fast connections. From a capitalist viewpoint, the allocation and use of these frequency bands highlight market-driven innovation and competition. Private companies invest significantly in acquiring spectrum licenses and building infrastructure to meet consumer demand for faster and more reliable wireless services. The variety of frequency bands allows businesses to tailor their network offerings to different market needs. This drives technological advancement and economic growth. Governments play a vital role by auctioning spectrum rights and creating regulatory frameworks that encourage investment. This ensures fair competition while motivating companies to innovate in how they use the spectrum. For example, technologies like massive multiple input, multiple output, which uses many antennas to increase capacity, and dynamic spectrum sharing help maximize efficiency. In summary, 5G frequencies span low, mid, and high bands, each with its own advantages and challenges. Capitalism fuels the deployment and evolution of 5G by motivating private investment and competition in these frequency bands. This ultimately advances telecommunications infrastructure and services, benefiting everyone.